everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. At times, you may want to deactivate your Twitter account to take a break from social media, and doing so, it's quite easy. You just have to prove your identity to Twitter, alright? So in today's video, I will show you how you can simply deactivate your Twitter account on the computer as well as on mobile phone, alright? So yeah, let's get started. Alright, to deactivate your Twitter account, you simply have to open the Twitter app on your mobile device and then tap the menu icon given at the left top corner. Now from here you have to simply tap the settings and privacy option. Then you have to go to the account section. So now if you will scroll down, you will see the option to deactivate your account. Simply tap that. And now here you will see some information about deactivating your Twitter account. So here it is written that you are about to start the process of deactivating your Twitter account. Your display name, that is @username, and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com and all the devices, alright. So apart from that, you can also restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation, alright. So remember that if you deactivate your account, you only have 30 days to get back to your account. If you forget to log in back within 30 days, you will lose access to your account, alright. So yeah, that was the information given about deactivating your account. Now if you want to download your Twitter data, you can download it before deactivating your account by simply selecting this option, alright. Or you can just tap deactivate and you can log in back whenever you want to reactivate your Twitter account within 30 days, alright. So yeah, simply tap deactivate, and now here you have to enter your password to deactivate your account. So after entering the password, simply tap deactivate. Again tap yes, deactivate. So yeah, doing this will deactivate your account. Your account is deactivated. Goodbye. Alright, so tap got it. And that's all. Now if you want to reactivate your account, you can simply tap the login button and simply enter your username and password, alright. So that was the process you have to go through on your mobile device, but in case you are doing it on a web browser, I'm going to show you how to do that, alright. Alright, to deactivate your Twitter account on a web browser, you simply have to log into your Twitter account, and then on the left side you will see the option more. Click on that and then click on settings and privacy. After that, on the right hand side you will see some options. Here is the option to deactivate your account. Click on that. And now here you will get some information about what happens when you deactivate your Twitter account. So if you want to deactivate your Twitter account, remember that your display name, your username and your public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com and all the mobile devices, alright. And apart from that, if you want to restore your Twitter account, you have to log in to your Twitter account within 30 days after deactivation, alright. So once you deactivate your account, it will be there for 30 days, alright. So if you want to get back to your account, you have to log in back within 30 days, otherwise you will lose access to it, alright. So you can also download your Twitter data by clicking on this option before deactivating your account if you want, alright. So yeah, simply click on deactivate option, and then here you have to enter your password. After that, once you will click on deactivate, your account will get deactivated, alright. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I showed you 2 ways to deactivate your Twitter account, alright. So if you have any queries or any suggestions, you can write them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.